Some football news now. Coach of Cavalier FC, Rudolph Speid, says he's not worried about the possible unavailability of the National Stadium for his team's CONCACAF Championship clash with Lionel Messi's Inter Miami in just over 2 weeks' time. With the physical resurfacing of the track set to start this weekend, there are doubts that Jamaica's main hub for major sporting events may not be available for the March 13 encounter. However, speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Explosion on Thursday, Speid said the National Stadium is the only venue that can host the game, adding that he has gotten guarantees that the venue will be ready.
Well, there's no other venue, so it has to do, and we have met with them up as late as yesterday. And there's a detailed plan of what is going to happen to get it up to standard. We have no doubt that they will. As to the details, that's not my thing. My thing is one thing, to do well on the field.
Now, despite all the excitement surrounding Messi's possible arrival, this is not the first time a global football superstar would be setting foot on the grass at the National Stadium. Brazilian legend Pelé was given the key to the city of Kingston by then-Mayor Emerson Barrett before Brazilian side Santos and Cavalier faced off in a friendly game which ended 1-1 in 1971. However, this time there's a lot more on the line, and Speid says despite the status of the opposition, Cavalier will be aiming for a win against the U.S. Major League side.
But this is the first competitive game that a superstar of its magnitude will be playing in Jamaica, so that takes on a different connotation.
Yeah.
Because even although we adore him, we still want to do well and to try and win the game, So it's just for us not to come to the table in shock and do what we can.
Cavalier booked their date with Inter Miami by virtue of defeating Speid FC to become Caribbean Cup champions.